Hi there, this is Clara at Younium. In this video, my dearest colleague Walter will show you how to run invoice batches in Younium and invoice your customers within seconds. Enjoy! Bye-bye!
Subscription billing in bulk and batches. So to understand how you can set up certain batches, you go to accounts, because on a certain account you can define how will we invoice them. So we can set them in certain settings, like, we do invoice enterprise clients right away, or we do them later. You can make different settings, but also you can assign them to certain batch groups. And what is a common use case for us is batch groups where, this is the bulk, you can just invoice, we don't care, just we ask for forgiveness if it goes wrong. But you also have batch groups, for instance, like certain customers that need to send you a purchase order number before actually sending the invoice. And you may want to send those customers an invoice or a pro forma invoice, a draft invoice in advance of the actual invoice, right? Without the invoice number yet. So they can like, hey, dear customer, this is what we're going to invoice you in 3 months. Please send me your purchase order number. So you call the batch group need PO number first or something like that. So that's how you assign batches to a specific customer based on the agreements you make with them. So if I then go to invoices, which is where I do my bulk billing, I can either create an on-account invoice. So, okay, I just make, for this specific customer, I make a certain product, and I have, it's called this, and, certain description, it was one piece. So let's say they just ordered 10 training hours and you don't want to go and change an order and add the hours to the order. You just create a quick invoice. But if you want to do an invoice batch and do the full shebang, you can go here and say, do I want to invoice all accounts? Do I want to invoice all batches? No, I want to only invoice the one that has a 30-day payment term or need to send the purchase order number first. So here you can segment how often and who you want to invoice for a certain batch. Also, if you have a minimum invoice, I don't want to invoice amounts of like below €4 because customers don't tend to pay them because the manual handling of those invoices are too much trouble. So I wait until there's more to be invoiced for that certain amount. But here you have that target date again. So this is where you tell Younium, look at the 1st of May, because then you include all that, all the subscriptions that are starting or are renewing or are monthly billing, quarterly billing, biannual billing, whatever, on that specific date. What this also does is, because you have some customers or many customers of us as usage billing, it doesn't only check what is there to be built on the 1st of May, but also what usage was there in April. Because on the 1st of May, we know what there is, used in April typically. And the usage comes in via maybe API or via CSV imports, depending on, what you can do with your platform to get us the usage data. And that just fills automatically. And then when you set this target date to the 1st of May, Younium checks what usage was there in April, what recurring charges are there for May. And then it consolidates everything. Then you can create a batch, and then Younium goes through the full system, and it says, hey, there was a few issues with some error. That's always good. We like errors because that means, we don't want you to miss out on sending an invoice, right? So you go and check the errors, and once you're happy, you can just post the batch, and then all invoices that are in Younium for the month of May will be sent to the customers. So that is kind of the bulk billing. It's a short topic, but that's also what we like, right? We don't want to spend time on invoicing because it's not a fun time.
Hey, it's me again here. Thank you for watching. So in the next video, we are going to go through how to automate the revenue recognition in Younium. You don't want to miss this one, and bring your popcorn. Bye-bye.